welcome to another episode of Cooking on the Clock, brought to you by Grace Foods. I'm Camila McDonald, and I'm your host, the one who guides you each week through these healthy, delicious, quick, easy recipes. And the best part is we do it together on the clock. Now, when I saw you last, we prepped our heavenly hummus. That's certainly heavenly. So I hope you guys have gone ahead and given it a try. I would love to get your feedback, your comments. How did it turn out for you? And today what we are going to be doing is making different snacks, different variations of, how I like to enjoy my hummus. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Let us know that you're here with us, all right? We love to hear from you. And remember, if you have made any of the recipes in the past, please tag at I am Camila McDonald and at Grace Foods so that we can share this on the channel with all of our Cooking on the Clock family. All right, so we are gonna start out with making some pita chips. All right, this is one of my favorite healthy ways to enjoy hummus. Now, hummus is the perfect combination, perfect balance of complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, protein, and fiber. And if you watched the last episode, and I'll link it below in case you didn't, then you would have, just kind of heard my introduction on healthy snacking and the importance of healthy snacking. And that's why we even delved into hummus in the first place. All right, so I'm showing you 3 really cool, delicious, quick. This episode is all about quick. What can you make really quickly that will not kind of rein in on your healthy party? All right, so we are going to start with our homemade pita chips, which are really easy. So I actually started out by preheating my oven to 400 degrees. And while it's preheating, we're gonna kind of take care of a couple of other things. So we're starting out with pita chips. Now you can actually use just a basic whole grain wrap or your favorite wrap. Or you can use those pita pockets that usually have the 2 slices of bread attached to each other. So either of them are perfectly fine. We're gonna use that and olive oil and garlic powder and sea salt. That's it. All right, so I want you to start by, if you are using pita pockets, just start out by separating them, and you're gonna cut each into 4 triangles or wedges, right? Or you can also just cut the pita in half twice. If you are using wraps, whole grain wraps, whole wheat wraps, then you're just gonna kind of stack them on top of each other and cut them in half, cut them in quarter, cut them in eighths until you have small chips that we're gonna place in the oven. Remember to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. 1 serving of this meal is about 24 triangles. Then you're gonna use a brush to just brush the oil mixture onto each side of your pita chips. Then you're gonna place them on a baking sheet and bake them for about 5 minutes. You're gonna flip them and then bake them again. You have to be really careful because they burn really easily. So you have to keep checking it. So just 5 minutes each side, and then that's it. They'll be nice, crunchy, and perfect to dip in your hummus. All right, next up, what we're gonna be doing is using it as a dip. This is my all-time favorite, my go-to. This is one of my must-have snacks in the week, especially because of the macronutrient breakdown and how it keeps me full for long. Lots of fiber here, lots of good fats, lots of protein. So it's an excellent snack to have in between your meals. So today I'm just gonna be slicing up some carrots. I'm gonna be slicing up some apples. I'm gonna be slicing up some peppers and cucumbers and making a little platter, fruit and veggie platter, to enjoy with the hummus. And then we'll just make a quick hummus wrap. This is such a great meal to have on hand if you're just like really on the go. You only have a few minutes. Your hummus is already prepared. Your veggies are already prepped up from the meal prep for your week ahead. You just kind of smear your hummus on the wrap, add your favorite veggies, add your beans, add your avocados, anything that makes your taste buds happy, and add your favorite dressings, which should also be prepped. I'll also link that below so that you can check out previous episodes where we talk about that. You can also spread it on a sandwich. So instead of mayo, you can put hummus in any mayo replacement. Anything that you would use mayo for, they're not even comparable in terms of just the health benefits and what you're avoiding with using hummus instead of mayo. So any place that you would be putting mayo, you would sub hummus for it, and it's an excellent replacement. All right, so we're gonna jump into our prep now for the various ways that we can enjoy hummus. And there you have it. In a matter of minutes, we assembled and created so many different ways that we can enjoy our heavenly hummus. So we made our pita chips, which are crunchy, delicious, the perfect spice and flavor. And we have our carrot sticks, or cucumber sticks, our apple sticks. Yes, you can pair apples with hummus. It's an incredible combination. And we also have our wrap here. So what I like to do is smother it on the base of my wraps. Again, hummus is so high in protein because obviously, as you guys saw in the previous episode, we made it with chickpeas. So lots of protein there. Right, so I just like to get hummus on the base. I'm gonna add a little bit of bell peppers. I'm gonna add corn, maybe some carrots. And again, once you're prepped up, you can do just about any rendition of this. All right. And for this wrap, this is gonna be like a breakfast wrap. I'll just add some black beans for extra protein. And once you're ready, you can just wrap that up and enjoy it. So you can have it as a snack. You can use it as a replacement for mayo. You can use it in your salad bowls, in your wraps, with your salad. There are so many different ways to spin and make hummus. There are so many different ways to make hummus. And as I promised you, I'll be back again with more and more and more delicious hummus recipes. So please subscribe, like, share. We love hearing from you, and I'll see you again when we're ready to cook on the clock.